Well, look at me. I am an adorable Disney princess. I always knew I was a princess, and this is what I was supposed to look like. So I'm pretty sure I'm never going to take this filter off. I mean, why would I, right? So, yeah, get used to it because this is the way I'm going to look all the time. Hi, guys. I'm back with another tumbler video. The other day I did a video using UV glitter. It changes colors in the sun, but I did it on a blue a blue tumbler, which was this video. And it still shows up, but just not as good. So I wanted to try it on a white base. So here they all look white. And let me hit them with my UV light here. See, I got blue, purple, and pink. So, instead of doing stripes like I did, I'm going to do like color blocks with them. So I will I'm going to time lapse you for this glitter part, just to save some time. I've already put KS Liquidy Split on the base, a very thin coat. My rule of thumb is the thinner the glitter, the thinner the coat of epoxy you need. So, I am going to start with the pink. Alright guys, so as you could see, I just did color blocks. So I did pink, purple, a big block of blue, then purple, then pink again. The pink is a super fine, so I kept them at the very edge. Just because I thought it would work better, or I thought it would look better. Also had to go over the pink a couple times, just because it was a finer glitter, so it was soaking into the epoxy. So I'm going to let this spin, and then I'll bring you back, and maybe we'll put a tattoo on it, or some ink splashes, or something. Maybe I have some glow-in-the-dark stars. These 3 glitters are from Laura's Art Corner. Also, these glow-in-the-dark stars are. So maybe I'll put some of these glow-in-the-dark stars on it, so all day it can soak up the sun, change colors, and then at night we'll have glow-in-the-dark stars, so that your cup does fancy stuff throughout the whole night. All right, so I'll bring you back when I decide what I want to do, and I will see you soon. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I got the glitter on, and I'm gonna put some couple flower tattoos on it. If you've already seen me do tattoos, you can fast forward through this part. I'm just going to do one, and then just to show you. But see how it just looks like opal glitter? Watch. I'm going to put my UV light on it. Now it's going to be brighter in the sunshine. See? See how much better it shows up on a white cup? See that? So cool. Maybe when it's done, I will do a picture of it outside, all charged up. The pink is a really light pink. It's not like a hot pink. Let's see. Not charged. Charged. So cool. So cool. All right. So these are just temporary tattoos. I am going to put one on with you, and then I will move on. It has a plastic on it. This is just on the glitter. It's pretty smooth, but there's still texture to it. So, I mean, you can still apply a tattoo As long as there's not like, if it's like chunky, if it's a chunky glitter, I would go ahead and put a coat of epoxy on before putting the tattoo on. But this is just a slight texture. When your cup does have a texture on it, though, kind of push it down a little bit harder than you normally would. And let's see if we can just rub this right off. Ooh, look at how pretty. This is going to be so pretty. And don't blot the water, or don't rub the water off. Just blot it. I will put you on pause. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Ugh. A little piece of... I'm going to have to sand that off. Look at how pretty. So cool. So I'm going to put you on pause, and then I'll bring you back. I'll probably bring you back after I put a coat of epoxy on it. And, yeah, I'm just basically, that's all I'm going to do to the cup, is put these tattoos on it, put a coat of epoxy over it, see how that goes. It might need a second coat. If it does, I'll put that on, and then I will bring you back when it is finished. See you soon, guys. Okay, guys, here she is, all put together with the little topper I made for her. This time I used a lime. If you want to see how I made this topper, I will link that video at the end screen. This is the second one I made. So this is what it looks like out of the sun. All right. I will take you outside now. Okay. Let's see how fast it changes. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see it because it's very sunshiny. So this is UV glitter. As I said before, I got it from Laura's Art Corner. She sells, you can find her on Facebook or at laurasartcorner.net. She sells glitters, stones, glass bits, all kinds of embellishments, anything that you need to make geodes, pastes, pigments, powders. Also sells Lorez products, which you can also get 10% off using my code. Lorez pigments, powders. Yeah, go check out her store. You will be amazed at everything she has. It is like a one-stop shop over there. You can use my code Lisa Wyatt Art, all caps. Lisa Wyatt Art, 10%, all caps. Sorry, we got our helicopter flying over. So yes, there's the coat in the sun. It's such a pretty pastel color changing. I love this cup. Like I said, it still needs one more coat of epoxy. Here, let's get you out of the sun. Maybe you can see it a little bit better. See? So pretty. Alright guys, I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.